Hi, everyone. It's Dr. Kimberly Harden. One thing that's come up several times this past week was watching people dress up self-justification as a revolutionary insight. It's frustrating to see psychology turned into a permission slip that allows harmful behavior. Reflection becomes performed instead of practiced. And accountability, it simply vanishes. No ownership, no forward motion. I value self-awareness that leads to change, not an endless analysis that keeps people stuck. When everything gets pathologized, trauma, fear, energy, healing, the language of growth starts to lose its meaning. Personal development turns into theater. And now more than ever, people are hiding behind language that sounds deep while avoiding the real work that actually moves them forward. I live my life with reflection, accountability, and follow through. So watching that cycle of performative self-awareness is exhausting. I don't hate people, but I do dislike avoidance disguised as enlightenment. If this video resonated with you, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. For deeper insight on this topic, visit hardenconsultinggroup.com to subscribe to the Wisdom Wednesday newsletter.